Test, test, 1, 2, we are good. Hey, what is going on, guys? Ben here. Now today I am super excited to be taking a look at the brand new AirPods 2 and comparing them to the first generation AirPods. Now before I jump into this video, just a little spoiler alert, there's not really much that's changed, but there are a few minor changes that Apple's made in this sort of version 1.5 of the AirPods that I actually really appreciate, and I want to show those to you guys. So without further ado, let's just get right into the box. I'm not doing a whole top-down unboxing setup, we're just going to do this live right here on camera because the unboxing experience is the exact same as the old one. You get the paperwork right on top. Inside, of course, is your little manual that goes over how to use the AirPods, how to charge them with this new wireless charging case, a little warranty packet, and I guess this is another warranty packet. Oh, it's a safety and handling packet. So yeah, not really much different with that. And then here are the AirPods themselves. Nice little plastic wrapper. Pull that off, and then there we have the case. It is the exact same size as the old one. You can see almost nothing is different. One thing I do know right off the bat that is a little distinguisher about these AirPods is one, there's a light on the outside of the case. I don't know if you could see that. Let me bring this down. You see that little flashing white light? And that actually brings the setup thing up on my phone. I actually have to update the software on this in order to be able to use these. And one other thing to note, and this is going to be very hard to show on camera, is on the back, the little hinge. On the old one, it's like mirror-like, it's reflective. On this one, it's matte. And as you can see, they made the writing a little bit darker, although that might just be because my writing has faded over time. And the final difference is the button that you use for pairing is now in the center of the case and not at the bottom. But other than that, nothing has really changed with regards to the actual design of the AirPods. As you can see, they are physically identical to the old ones. They sit the same in my ear. Nothing's really different about these little guys. They're basically the exact same product as before, just with a few minor updates on the inside, and let's go into what those updates are right now. Alright, now one of the big hardware changes with this new case, besides the whole light and all of that, is that this thing now supports wireless charging. So you can simply take your AirPods, throw them down on a charger or something like the AirPower wireless mat, which still to this day is not released, even though it's written on the side of the box. But anyway, not going into that. You can throw this down on a mat and charge it, so you don't need to worry about fumbling with a cable or plugging it in. And then with that light on the outside, you can now see the charging status of this case. Alright, pairing is pretty simple. All I have to do is open up the AirPods case right next to it, and you'll see on the phone, it actually shows a little AirPods logo. So all I have to do is click connect, and now these are paired with my phone, ready to go. And that was very fast, very simple, and honestly it seems a lot faster than the old model, and that's likely due to the fact that this now has the H1 chip inside. Now this is a remake of the W1 chip that was in the previous AirPods, and it simply just results in faster pairing, better latency, although it's still not good enough for video editing. However, it's still much better than in the past, and with the new faster pairing times switching between devices and taking calls, this is a great little upgrade if you were worried that the old AirPods felt too slow for you. And lastly, this H1 chip also enables the ability to use Hey Siri, which is really amazing, so that I can just put these AirPods in my ear. They're already paired and connected,
I can't get the answer to that on HomePod.
Well, my HomePod just talked to me. You see, once they're in my ears and Hey Siri is enabled on my phone, all I have to go is say, "Hey Siri, how are you doing?" And it worked. And I hear her say, "Very well, thank you," in my ear. So that's pretty cool. These things are a nice solid upgrade from the old one, but overall, if you already have a V1 pair of AirPods like I do, it is really not worth the upgrade to get to these. All the changes they made are very incremental, and besides the Hey Siri feature, there's really nothing new or exciting with these AirPods, except for maybe the wireless charging case. So if you don't have either and you're looking to get a pair of AirPods, I would actually suggest getting the V2s just because they are a little bit faster, a little bit better, and they're the same price essentially. But what I would say is don't go for the one with the wireless charging case, because basically this case adds $40 to the price tag of the AirPods, which is a lot of money. And for $40, I would say plug it into a charger every 24 hours or whatever, because the battery life on these little guys is insane. It's the same as the old one. And so I've never seen myself charging it, so why would I spend $40 to get a wireless charging case when I rarely have to charge it anyway? I don't know. That's just what it seems to me. So my suggestion, if you don't have a pair of AirPods, get the $160 version of the V2s. If you already have V1s like I do, don't splurge for the new AirPods. I will be returning these. There's not that big of a difference. Yes, it's nice to have the faster pairing, but overall, just not worth the upgrade. Anyway, that's been this short little video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please hit that like button and comment down below letting me know what you thought. Also, I have a lot of videos I'm working on right now, getting them edited for you guys, so there will be new content coming to the channel very soon. Anyway, that's been it. Thanks, subscribe. Peace out.